Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of The Easy's Life, The Easy's Kitchen, where we learn how to make simple recipes that take a while to cook. In today's episode, we'll be making spaghetti bolognese sauce. Let's make the sauce. You'll need 140 grams of tomato paste, 3 to 4 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of honey. Then you'll need 350 grams of pasta sauce. I'm currently using Prego's mushroom bolognese pasta sauce, the smaller bottle. You can also use Leggo's mushroom and bolognese sauce as well. Pour the entire pasta sauce in and you'll see there's leftover bits of pasta sauce in the bottle. So you add 100 milliliters of beef stock and 50 milliliters of water into the bottle. Cover, shake well, and pour this mixture into your main mixing bowl. Now stir the entire mixture till it thickens. The pasta sauce is done. These are the ingredients: 3 colored bell peppers, 1 of each color, cut to bite-sized chunks, 200 grams of butter mushrooms. You can slice them or dice them. I diced them. 1 small to medium-sized onion, mince them. 1 tomato, coarsely chopped. 300 grams of ground or minced beef and butter. For condiments, we'll be using Italian herbs seasoning, 4 to 5 bay leaves, and of course, salt and pepper. Let's start cooking. First, we get to heat up our pan, make it nice and hot. Then add your onions. Stir fry the onions until you can smell its fragrance and add half a knob of butter. Continue sauteing until translucent. When it's largely translucent, add in your mushrooms. Cook the mushrooms down until it releases most of its moisture. As it loses its moisture, it shrinks in size. So when the mushroom is about similar size as the onions, add in your tri-colored bell peppers. Cook the bell peppers until you can easily cut through them with a spatula and lightly season with salt and pepper. Next, season your ground beef with salt and pepper. Add this beef into your pan and cook until your beef turns grey, no longer pinkish. Add in your pasta sauce next. Stir the pasta sauce well before pouring into the pan. If it's overflowing or seems to overflow, pour it in 2 portions. Gently stir the sauce in. Add your Italian herb seasoning and 4 to 5 bay leaves. I will usually eyeball the amount of Italian herb seasoning to use. I estimate that I use about 1 to 2 tablespoons worth of Italian herb seasoning. As the sauce and the ingredients comes together, the sauce will create air pockets, and these air pockets tend to splatter everywhere. So turn down the heat to medium-low and continue stirring gently. Add in your tomatoes. Tomatoes will go in last as they cook the fastest, and by going in last, you would manage to retain some of its nutritional properties. So continue to stir, and you can taste your pasta sauce and season salt and pepper to your liking. Mix the salt and pepper well. The sauce should taste well balanced. Slightly sweet, slightly tangy, very tasty. Do not oversalt your sauce as we'll be using pasta water to combine the spaghetti or pasta together with the bolognese sauce. Cover and leave it to simmer on medium-low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. It has been 10 minutes and you could see a layer of sauce floating at the top. Turn off the heat and stir the sauce once more, and the sauce is done. You can serve the bolognese sauce immediately, or you can pour it out into trays and containers for freezing. This sauce is good to keep in the freezer for up to 6 months. Thanks for watching. Do check out our tutorial on how to cook pasta as well. If you find this tutorial useful, do give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Click on the notification bell to get updates on our latest videos. Bye!